Hello and welcome. Today it is made with a 3D printer. Flower frame and use the wire. I'm trying to make a delicate sculptural object. It's a moment where digital technology and manual craftsmanship meet. This petal you see on the screen, after printing with a 3D printer, finish with pink spray. Some more vibrant form. First, put a thin drill core on the edge of the petal. Make a small hole. Through this hole, I can fix the wires precisely. The wire used it's a medium thickness bouquet wire. Soft yet it has just the right amount of strength to take shape. It is a bouquet wire widely used in Korea. Now let's start building a wire mesh in earnest. They weave wires one by one like a net. Finish with a structure that wraps flowers. 3D printed flowers are in the center. The wire mesh structure surrounding it, so that you can add flowers later. It acts as a base. If you look at the work closely, the right hand is constantly turning the wire. The left hand is stabilizing the movement. Be careful not to stab your hands during work. Be careful not to stab your hands during work. Keep the distance between wires constant. Concentrate. Up, down. Balance in all directions. It takes shape three-dimensionally. Check the whole volume in between. Space to add flowers and consider the support together. Make wire mesh. The rest of the wire needs a trimming process. In the final phase, you don't need a lot of wires. As you look at the size, the entire width is evenly matched. Now it's time to create a handle shape. It fits naturally into my fingers. I prefer the ring shape. You can hold the work stably. It doesn't interfere with the overall design. Then color the wire. Set the whole tone. Matching petals. Lightly sprinkle pink spray. I'm done. After the spray dries, let's look at the whole structure again. Next, placing flowers in the structure to complete the scene. I'll show you. Thank you very much.